Well, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at something that is on every reel. It's something you're going to see on there. So let's right here, if you guys can see that, right there, it says 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. What exactly does that mean? So we're going to look at it, and I'm going to tell you or let you know it's simple. It's very simple. So this particular reel is a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. So what that means, that's on the higher end of a high speed. So the higher that number goes, 6.2, 7.2, the higher speed. Now when that number starts going the other way, when you get down into 5.2, 4.2, that means it's a slower reel, but it has more power. So higher the number, the more speed, the less power it has. And the only thing that means is that higher speed, if you need power, that power is coming from you. It's going to take more power from you. Now, when we're down to a lower number, high power, not as much speed. So again, if it needs more speed, that's coming from you. All right. 6.2 to 1. What does that mean? So here's what that means. It means every one turn of this handle, every one turn, one revolution of this handle, this spins 6.2 times. Simple as that. So we'll all right, so I'm gonna put this straight up and down. You can see we'll mark right here is where we're gonna mark it. All right. So we're gonna start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 0.2, and we'll write straight back up. So that's simple as that. That's what that means. That's 6.2. Every one turn of this turns 6.2. 4.2 to 1 means the same thing. I mean, it's that simple. That's what the gear ratio is of this. One turn, 6.2. Nothing complicated about that. Just remember, the higher the number, the higher the speed. The lower the number, the lower the speed, but more power that you're gonna get in your reel. Now, generally, what I fish is a higher speed. All of my reels, inshore and surf fishing, are a 6.2 to 1. And also that can tell you, so a 6.2 to 1, generally, every crank of that handle, one crank, you're going to bring in 35 to 37 inches of line with every crank. Generally. 35 to 37 inches, every crank of that. Some reels put it on there. This one doesn't. I do have some reels that's got it on there. 35 inches per crank, you know. This one doesn't, but generally we can, 30 through 35, 34 to 37 is about how many inches each crank you're bringing and putting back on the spool. So there you go. Simple. That's what gear ratio means on a spinning reel. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. You guys take care of each other, and I'll definitely get you guys on the next one.